Juni is from Mexico. He is known for his love of spicy food. He loved it so much that he would add chili to everything from his morning eggs to his afternoon snacks. I'll continue in a bit. This is Oluwatunseyi here. Hello and welcome back to my channel where I bring you kitchen hacks and tips as well as healthy recipes that are easy to make at home. Today we're going to talk about a hot and spicy sauce that will make your taste buds tingle with excitement. We're going to need some fresh ingredients for this recipe, so make sure you've got a chopping board and knife ready. So let's get started. Yes, now to my story. One day, Juni decided to create his own very chili sauce. So he gathered up some fresh ingredients including some spring onions, hatch green chilies, green habanero peppers, cloves of garlic, ginger, a green capsicum, and basil leaves. Juni had some time chopping the ingredients into small bits one after the other, but he didn't stop there. He knew it had to be spicy, but also he wanted to add something special to his sauce because he wanted it to be packed with protein and flavor. So he decided to get some shredded grilled chicken, prawns, and dried catfish fillet as the protein. For the aromatics, you can add some other spices like cumin, rosemary, or even a pinch of your mixed spices. But for this recipe, I'll limit the spices or aromatics to only ginger and garlic. These are the proteins used. Then he grinded them first in the mill. If you are a fan of green chili sauce, you're going to love this recipe. Not only is it packed with enough protein to keep you wanting more, but it's also deliciously spicy and full of flavor. Next, he went over to blend the ingredients all together. Adding olive oil to it at this point will help the blending instead of adding water. 1 cup of olive oil is needed for this recipe, but I will add half a cup first. See how the blending goes before I add the other half. You may add the 1 cup all at once. If this video has been helpful to you, clicking the subscribe button would mean a lot to me, as it gives me an indicator that I'm actually building an audience and also creating helpful content for them. Yes, blending until he finally got a perfect consistency. Now heat up a pan or saucepan and cook while stirring regularly for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the hotness of the flame from your stove. Add some salt to taste. I added half teaspoon of salt. The result was amazing. The sauce was hot, spicy, and full of flavor, with a protein-packed punch that left him feeling energized and satisfied. Juni's friends and family couldn't get enough of his delicious green chili sauce. They would come from all over just to taste it, and before he knew it, Juni had become a local legend. I will use this now, but if you are making a lot and you want to store, you can pour into an airtight container. Pour in some oil to cover the top. This will increase the shelf life, so you can keep in the refrigerator, but for it to stay for a much longer time, you can freeze it. Today, you can create your very own version of Juni's famous green chili sauce. Give it a twist and make it your own. And if it's not hot or spicy enough, you can add more chilies. It's easy, healthy, and perfect for all meals. So go ahead and give it a try. I tell you, your taste buds will thank you. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy green chili sauce that will have you coming back for more. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tasty treats. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.